I'm Anna Vanila, and thank you very much for being welcomed to my channel. As everyone else, everybody is happy to subscribe and be on my channel and watch my videos, and they already know, a lot of you know, that I like to knit. And at the moment I'm doing a hat for a man. A hat for a man. I've made exactly hat like this one, but in a milk color, like beige color, neutral color, for one of my subscribers, Mikhail from Romania, and I decided to gift him this wonderful hat that I have made for his loyal subscription to my channel and for being a loyal fan for such a long time. And I hope he will use this hat very often. This is one similar one that I make at the moment, and I am making for the lucky one who's going to win it. And if you want to win one of my hats, please subscribe and leave comments to my channel, to my videos, and let's chat. And the lucky winner will get this hat, finished hat, for free. And it's all because of me doing it. So imagine to wear a hat made by Anna Vanila. So I hope you're going to like it, like the idea that it is a hat made by Anna Vanila, who soon will become a DJ, hopefully worldwide, because I am training myself at the moment. I am trying to become a DJ, and hopefully I can be a good one, a good DJ mixer. And I hope my little fingers will going to work out very nicely on a DJ set that I'm going to do in the near future. Thank you very much for watching me and subscribing, and don't forget that you can be the one who will win my hat, who will win Anna Vanila's hat. So subscribe and leave comments, and I'm going to choose the lucky one, and maybe the one will be you. The lucky one will be you. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Love you. Bye.